Hello students, in this session you are going to learn chapter 9 Introduction to C++. Contents of this session are expression and type conversion. First, what is an expression? An expression is a combination of operators, constants and variables. An expression may consist of one or more operands and zero or more operators to produce a value. So, an expression is nothing but a sequence of operators and operands, and it will produce a result. For example, result is equal to A asterisk B plus C. Here A, B and C are operands. Then asterisk and plus are operators, and result is the variable. Next, types of expression. There are 7 types of expression, and they are constant expression, integer expression, floating expression, relational expression, logical expression, bitwise expression, and last, pointer expression. Now let us see each expression one by one. First, constant expressions. Constant expressions consist of only constant values. So, a constant value is one that does not change. For example, const int num is equal to 100. So, this is an constant expression. Next, integral expression. So, the combination of integer and character values or variables with simple arithmetic operators to produce integer results is called integer expression. So, the expression that produces an integer value as output after performing all types of conversion are called integral expressions. For example, sum is equal to num1 plus num2 or integral expressions. Here sum, num1 and num2 are variables of type int. Next, float expressions. The combination of floating point values or variables with simple arithmetic operators to produce floating point results are called float expressions. So, the expressions that produce floating point value as output after performing all types of conversions are called float expressions. For example, area is equal to 3.14 into R into R are float expressions. Here R and area are variables of type float. Next, relational expressions. Relational expressions yield results of type bool which takes a value true or false. For example, A plus B double equal to C plus D are relational expressions. Here, arithmetic expressions are used on either side of a relational operator. They will be evaluated first, then the results are compared. Here, we will get the result 1 if it is true, or 0 if the compared result is false. Next, logical expressions. Logical expressions combine two or more relational expressions and produces bool type results. For example, A is greater than B and C is double equal to 10 are logical expressions. Here we are combining two relational expressions. A is greater than B and C is double equal to 10, and we are getting the Boolean output 0 or 1. Next, Bitwise expressions. Bitwise expressions are used to manipulate data at bit level. They are basically used for shifting bits. For example, X shift left 3. Here it shifts 3 bit position to left. Next, Y shift right 1. Here it shifts 1 bit position to right. And the last one is pointer expressions. Pointer expressions produce address values. For example, ampersand x. Here x is a variable and ampersand x means it will refer to the address of the variable x. Next, what is type conversion? The process of converting one fundamental type into another is called as type conversion. So, a type conversion is basically a conversion from one type to another. And there are two types of type conversion. First, implicit type conversion. Next, explicit type conversion. Next, what is implicit conversion? An implicit conversion is a conversion performed by the compiler automatically. So, it is done by the compiler on its own without any external trigger from the user. And it is also called as automatic conversion. Here, the smaller data type is converted into wider data type. Now, look at this program. In the given program, here the variable A is an int data type and B is a float data type. And during the execution of the program, here int is converted into float because float is wider than int. Hence, the output of the given program will be 9.14. Next, explicit conversion. C++ allows explicit conversion of variables or expressions from one data type to another specific data type by the programmer. It is called as typecasting. So, it is an user-defined conversion. Here, the user can typecast the result to make it of a particular data type. Now, look at this example program. In the given program, the variable varf is declared as float data type with an initial value 78.685. Next, the value of varf is explicitly converted into an int data type in cout statement. Thus, the final output will be 78. Next, today's assignment questions are: first, what is mean by type conversion? Next, how implicit conversion different from explicit conversion? So with this, I conclude our class today. Thank you.